Hey everyone, Gabriel here from Sky Scaling, and in today's video, I would like to go over one of our clients' campaign results and show the results that have come out of this campaign, and just to kind of demonstrate what could be possible if you decide to work with Sky Scaling, okay? So I like to start off by just showing off the actual metrics. So this is a screenshot that I took from Facebook of the metrics of this campaign. So the total spent when I took this screenshot was $637 for that campaign, equaling in 40,000 impressions. Number of clicks, 393. Click-through rate, 0.96%. Link click-through rate, 0.52%. Usually you want this to be over 2%. You want this to be over 1%. In this case, we're running ads for life insurance. It's not, super exciting product for a lot of people. And so these are usually the metrics you can expect if you're running ads for, a product like life insurance. CPM of $15 and 17 leads. So results is the number of leads that have come through from this campaign. 17 leads at $37 per lead with a conversion rate of 4.33%. So the conversion rate, by the way, is not the number of deals that have come. The conversion rate is just basically the percentage of people that click compared to the percentage of people that actually become prospects. Okay. Now, $37 I know might seem a bit expensive for a lead. And when you see the qualification process that the leads go through, you'll probably understand why the cost is $37. I really focus a bit more on the quality of the prospects more than I do so on the quality. And so $37 really reflects what you get in terms of the cost per lead. And obviously these results will speak for that as well. So total spent $637. Number of leads that have come out of this campaign, 17, with cost per lead of $37. Number of deals closed out of the 17 prospects, 3. And that's, this time, obviously more could come out of this more of these 17, but at this time, when we're talking today, 3 deals have been closed so far, giving us a cost per deal of $212 with a return on investment of $4,741 and a return on investment percentage of 743% on the campaign. So, here's an actual screenshot that I had with this client. So the client does want to stay anonymous. If you join the Sky Scaling community and you join our program, you'll be able to see who this is. But this client is with World Financial Group. That's all I can say. But this client did not want me to mention their name, and I have to respect that. So I want to ask, how is everything going on your end? Amazing. Close to your appointments this week. 2 ULs, $294 and $150 $15 premium. 1 critical illness policy for $81. Amazing. What's your commission on those? About $4,700. So these are the results that were generated from this campaign. So this client has been working with us for less than 3 weeks now and has already made almost $5,000 in commissions. And here's how we get those leads. Okay, so I want to show the process and actually show how we acquire and qualify those leads. So number one, we'll start by running ads, right? That's what gets visibility. That's what's going to get people even interested in the product or the opportunity that we're running for you. And so we'll run ads on your behalf. I know there's different companies out there that kind of give you the content and teach you how to run the ads. I've tried that years ago. It was a complete nightmare. So it's a lot simpler if we just ran the ads for you. We probably know a bit more about the Facebook platform anyways than you do. So just makes sense, right? So we run the ads on your behalf. People will be scrolling on social media. They see the ads that we're running for you. And obviously some people will think it's interesting, right? Not everyone loves life insurance, but some people are looking for it. So people that do think the ad is good, they'll click on the ad and then they'll get redirected to a landing page, a qualification process, which I'll show in a few minutes as well. I'll show the exact qualification process they go through, where obviously your prospect can then go ahead and qualify. By qualifying, they go through a qualification process, a vet process, so they get screened, by the way, and then they can put in their personal information and then they can submit info. Once they submit that info, that's how you get your prospects. Now, within that qualification process, we do have some disqualification questions. We want to make sure your prospects are actually qualified for the products, right? And then once your prospect does qualify, they can then go ahead and schedule a call. Your prospect has the ability to automatically schedule a call in your calendar. If they decide not to do that, if your prospect decides not to book a meeting, that's where your AI assistant comes in. So you will have an AI assistant that will automatically reach out to your prospects after 5 minutes if your prospect hasn't booked a meeting. So on your calendar page, we have them watch a quick video that they can kind of build intent, build motivation for them to book a call. And if after 5 minutes, which is plenty enough of time for them to watch a video and book a call, they haven't booked a meeting, they get a text message on their phone about from your AI that's going to try to engage in a conversation with them and get them to book a call. Last case scenario, you can always manually call yourself, which in the insurance business and really in any online business, if you want to get the best results possible, calling is always going to be a really good option. So calling your prospects, try to book them in yourself. The phone call is going to break the ice, build rapport, and then you can book them in yourself for a follow-up meeting on Zoom and make the sale happen on there. So you have 3 different options for the calls to get booked. Now let me show the exact qualification process that these leads go through. So when your lead sees the ad, clicks on the ad, this is the exact qualification process that they will be going through. So number 1, we ask for their gender, male or female. Are you a smoker, yes or no? Do you have any pre-existing medical conditions? If your prospect says yes, we're going to ask for what medical condition they have so they can choose from multiple options. What motivates your interest in financial protection? So why are you looking for life insurance in the first place? Let's just go with income replacement and final expenses. What is your current employment status? So this is the only disqualification question in the survey. Self-employed, employed, unemployed, retired, or stay at home. If your prospect answers unemployed, they get disqualified. Okay, so you want to make sure your prospects are employed or retired or stay at home. Stay at home is even an option. It's just unemployed will, it will probably waste a lot of your time, and either way will not qualify for the product. So retired or stay at home does work though. Do you currently have any of the following products? So you'll know beforehand if your prospect or your lead has any of these products in place already. So accident or sickness, critical illness, disability, life insurance, or no, I do not have any insurance coverage. Hey, you're eligible for a quote. Click next to get your quote. First, last name, city, date of birth, email, phone number, and your prospect also has to confirm the phone number. So this is my actual email, phone number. I'll get a phone text. So your verification code is being sent. I'm going to get a code to my phone. There we go. 328-702, confirm code. And then my phone number has been successfully verified. I can now submit this information. Once your prospect submits this info, they get redirected to your calendar page, and that's when they can go ahead and schedule a call in your calendar. So it's literally that simple. We run the ads, prospect clicks on the ad, qualifies, books a meeting. If they don't book, AI or you reach out manually, book them in, make the sale happen. Very simple process, but very efficient, and that's the exact process we use in our own business as well. So again, I'm just here to showcase results and show what's possible working with a marketing company like Skyscaling. So if you are an insurance business and want, to use a digital marketing solution, want different results for your business, maybe you're using your warm market that's not going well, maybe your friends and family are limited and you don't have anyone to sell to, well, obviously you need a marketing plan, because if you don't have a marketing plan, who you're going to sell to and how you're going to grow your business. So I'll put a link down below in the description. If you want to go ahead, book a call with our team, we'll be very happy to learn more about your business and see if we can help you. Again, it's been Gabriel. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.